Let me give you a step-by-step strategy so you can make money right now. With this same strategy, I made 20K in one day. This will work if you're doing some sales calls and you have a pipeline of previous people. So now let's go. Let's get this video rock and rolling. So I'm gonna share 3 main strategies with you, okay? First thing to remember with these strategies, you need to have some sales meetings. You need to have some people you gave offers to. They're thinking about it, aka now didn't buy, or you have some previous clients, okay? Or you have an existing client. All of this will work, okay? So first thing I want you to do, when I'm gonna cover these 3 things, these 3 strategies, you need to remember, first thing you wanna do, you wanna call these people, right? Next thing you wanna do, if they don't pick up the phone, you wanna shoot WhatsApp. This is especially great in Europe. Then SMS, and only then emails, okay? Only then emails. This is how you want to execute what I'm going to talk about, okay? First strategy is called pay today to save, okay? What does it mean? What does it mean? So you have probably, most likely, clients, right? And they are paying maybe 1K times 5, and some of them have maybe 2, 3K left or 1K left to pay. So at this day, which is the day you want to make money, you need to inject cash in your business. You could be calling these people and saying something like this. So, hey, Suzanne, I heard your results. It looks amazing. We're very happy that you love the service that we're providing to you. Would you be interested in saving some money today? What do you mean? And this is just like an idea for you to kind of redo it, rethinking, and do it for yourself, okay? She's like, what do you mean? So we have a special offer for you today that we're calling all customers that we have, which is we see that you have a payment still of 3,000 left, but we want to give you an incentive, and this is still optional. If you want to do it, fine. If not, then no problem. Just forget about it. You can do a 2,000 payment today, and we would just save you 1,000. Would you want to do? Would you be open to that? That's it. Like, you are doing this to existing clients, because this is something I have never heard from anybody else, but this is what we did in that day, which worked tremendously good. So second strategy, okay, that was number 1. Second strategy, you want to do re-offers, which is what is a re-offer? Okay, re-offer. What is it? So you have your existing offer. Let's say it's a house. And then you want to add some things to it, like maybe more incentives, more things to do it. And then you want to send this to people who have not yet bought and make them want to buy it more, right? It's interesting that it disappears so fast. It's Loom, right? It disappears very fast. So you want them to buy it faster, right? This is again, call, WhatsApp, SMS, email, but still call, right? Call. Main thing is to call. We did not book with them meetings, but you could also book a call with them and then do it. But you need to do it in one day, because this video was like how to make money right now, one day. So that's what you want to do. What to add? Additional help, additional support, time, right? Time, additional services, additional bonuses. We typically do, like we do time, we do additional services, we do something special. Let's say the person is like, I have this like one thing I want to also do, like which is maybe not in our main service. And then we could also, we have some network of partners who are providing different services. So we could basically connect them with one of our different network partners, and they could just, we just take a cost. We just pay like 100 to 500 euros to that person, and we just add it to the deal for our client. So the client is like excited. He's going to talk with an expert on this one thing we couldn't help, but with the re-offer, which we are interested in helping people to do to make them a decision, they're doing it. Because you need to understand, people like are here, they're on a fence, and here's the jump, right? And here's the like promised land. You need to give them reason why, and it's like for everything. Why? You also, it's the same thing. You go into luxury shops. This is for my wife especially. She goes in. If she doesn't pull the trigger right there, she's not going to buy. That's like so simple. And that's why they do all of these things to warm you up, like champagne, drinks, blah, 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 blah. Okay. That's number 2. Okay. Number 3, you could be sending and posting content or emails, right? Emails, content, mass with the offer. And here I would go not to the warmest people, but I would go everybody in your lists, you doing the offer, and again, how to make it more valuable. Nobody maybe likes it, but it's actually what you could do. Giving a discount, 50% off, 80% off, 30% off. Again, this is for you if you want a cash injection day in your business or in your services or wherever. Okay, that's what you could do. Plus additional things from the reoffer things we covered, you could also send it in the email, and that would work tremendously well as well. Okay. And also, is it guaranteed? No. But what you should do if you are the only person or you have multiple team members, make sure that it is like 100, at least 100 inputs. And what is inputs? Like actual activities done to do with these 3 strategies, okay? That last one you could just do. But if you have team members, they should do the first one and the second one. The first one was pay today, save later, and the second one was reoffers. So they should be doing it consistently. And you should be checking them to do it, right? Like putting a daily target for them to do it. And this is what we are doing. And this is what we did to get this great one day, I guess, because it is great for us, because we're typically from 100K to 220K cash per month when I'm recording this video, right? Maybe in the future, probably going to be more, which is the goal as well. So hope you enjoyed this video. Stay sharp, and I'll see you in the next one.